Modern pickup trucks are delivering more power and torque than ever before, requiring tires that can provide the support to get the job done. The Wildpeak H T02 redefines the highway terrain tire, delivering industry-leading performance and durability all year long. Thanks to durable construction and a rugged upper sidewall, the H-T02 is built to meet and exceed the demands of today's pickup truck drivers, from construction site activities to towing and hauling duties. LT sizes of the H-T02 were rigorously tested and developed using the latest 3/4-ton heavy-duty diesel pickups. After proving they can support the most powerful and capable trucks on the road today, all LT size offerings feature an HD badge on the tire sidewall, highlighting the heavy-duty construction with which these tires were built. 3D Canyon Sipe technology interlocks the shoulders to resist wear from high torque and increases edges for enhanced all-season handling. 4 wide circumferential grooves significantly enhance hydroplane resistance by evacuating water, helping to maintain secure contact with the road even in heavy rain. Rigid tread blocks feature a support bridge that provides tread pattern rigidity in the contact patch, enhancing vehicle stability and handling when towing or hauling. Falken's aggressive upper sidewall protects the shoulder of the tire from hazards typically encountered at construction sites or on the highway. The optimized tread pattern, with 3 variable pitches, positions the tread blocks to provide an exceptionally quiet ride. And Falken's silica-enriched compound provides exceptional wet performance and superior wear life over a wide range of operating temperatures. Popular fitments for the Wildpeak H T02 include the Chevy Silverado, Ford F-Series, Nissan Titan and Titan XD, and Ram trucks. The H-T02's limited tread life warranty varies by size: 50,000 miles for HD sizes and 70,000 miles for non-HD sizes. All sizes, however, come with Falken's road hazard protection and 30-day ride guarantee. For those demanding durability and longevity from their truck tires, the H-T02 is in a class of its own.